Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stan and today's special is paneer matar, which is my wife and my daughter's favorite. So let's get started. So let's begin with the cooking. So in a pot I'll be heating around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, I'll take 2 small bay leaves, 2 cloves and 1 green cardamom. Once that's heated, I'll add in half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Alright, then I'll be adding in 1 medium size finely chopped onion. Alright, now we need to fry this onion till it gets golden brown. Okay, now along with this onion, I'll be also adding ginger garlic. So I've crushed 3 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. Now we need to fry this until they turn brown. Alright, so as you can see, after frying it well for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame and kept stirring it, now the onions have turned slight brown at the edges. Now at this point, here I'll be adding in the dried spices. Around a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, less than half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Okay, I'll just mix it well. The masala has got kind of dried. Okay, so I'll add in little water here. Okay, so the masala has been fried well, just for around 30 seconds to 40 seconds. And here I'll be adding in tomato puree. This is fresh tomato puree. So I've taken a medium sized tomato and I've ground it into a paste. Just give it a mix. Alright, now at this point here I'll be adding in the peas, that is matar, and I'll add in around 1 teaspoon of salt. Just give it a mix. So I'll cook this well for around 3 to 4 minutes with the lid closed. Because I want the matar to cook well and I want to get rid of the raw taste of the tomato as well. Alright, so all this while the flame was low, so I'll just turn the flame on medium. Alright, now at this point here, what I'll be doing is, I'll be just taking a small handful of kasuri methi. Okay, now I just mildly roasted it on a pan. I'll just give it a crush and add it. Okay, so this will give a nice flavor to our matar paneer. Can you see the masala is turning a little greasy? That means the oil is separating. Okay, now the masala is fried properly, okay, and the oil is just oozing out. At this point, I'll just add in some water. Alright, so at this point here, I'll start adding the paneer. Now, I have not fried the paneer. Usually, you can just fry the paneer and then add it in the masala, but I'm not frying it because my daughter, she doesn't like the fried taste of the paneer. She doesn't like the crunchiness. Just a little bit of water because I don't want the gravy to be very watery, so just a little bit of water. Alright, now I'll let it sit to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. So it's been 3 minutes now that I've boiled it on low flame. Let's see. Alright, so I will turn off the flame and I'll serve it. Alright, so that's it guys. That's how I make my Matar Paneer. Okay, let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe and how you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. See you next time. My name is Stan. Thank you.